why you always in the mood. Now I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Good morning, my neighbors. Well, the sun is out. This is me getting sun kissed, and today's outfit, well, I just got it from one shopping in Eldoret. Nikisema Eldoret, unasema city. Time to have some breakfast, and then board the matatu, that is the public means, to our day's location. Let's do this, yeah? In a few seconds we'll be there. Okay, like the video, shares all there. Make sure that you do subscribe, comment down below, and turn on the notification bell if you've not done that yet. Eti huko ni wapi? Mwalimu wetu alisema twende mbali. Anyways, it's time to look at the river natural sites. They're just something else. Natural sites are just something else. This is a dangerous bridge. For me, if I had a kid, mtoto wangu angepitia hii barabara. Why? Phobia for the child falling into the river, never. Anakaa uko juu kwao or the other side. Where? Call me a strict mom. You can also see that it actually looks dangerous, because man, if anything was to happen, I don't know. Well, it's a beautiful sight. Just look at it from my view. I'm gonna let it from behind me. Just looks amazing. It's been long ever since I went in near a river, a lake. A lake. I was at lake whatever recently. I just meet up with my friends. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. What I do? Alafu, one thing I've noticed, we're trying to communicate with the people in the vehicle. Kama wajishikisha hapo inamaanisha shukisha hapo. What the fuck? What the hell? And then wapazile za before we get to where we're going, I'm like, aki hapa ni wapi? Then they're like, unaenda wapi? Bro, lunch is anyway. Whatever. The good thing is tumefika. Kama wanaangalia mtu. Well, at this point we had already linked up with the friends in this area. It was fun. We ate together, laughed, made plans for next time, and I was heading to somewhere else. Hapa Kiguna njia. Well, I had I just had a good time, enjoyed. I don't know the next time we'll see each other. But yeah, I sat here and these people were like, sama kupiga story. If they were to alight before me, mi ningeshuka na wao jama. Ningeshuka na wao waendeleze hiyo story baadaye. Yeah? But let's just look at this beauty. This place has actually grown. Look at the roads. Si kama zile potholes tumeacha huko city. City yetu, I don't want people to come throwing stones at me. But this place seems, it has really grown. Well, reading another county, guy. Which county is hey? No good travel. And right now I'm in a tuk-tuk. This place has really changed. And then I hanged out there. I did not do much recordings of, when I was in that other county, but then went back to Eldoret City. Here is a moment of me in Peachy. Look at that girl. Actually, I am glowing. And then finally, after relaxing Hoko, I decided it's time to go back and hustle for the next vacation. Next time, I'm going to actually record more of the activities I was doing, and not just about the journey and the things to see on the side and all. But the truth is, well, I had a really good time. This person who sat next to me, well, alikuwa na sauti nzuri. It reminded me of someone else. Mimi na my stories siwezi hivyo solo hivyo ati hivyo unless you are the problem. Well, I don't know if it's rumors or what, but I was told all these land belongs to the Kenyatta, so the family that is Akina Ohonye. Where? And people are not allowed to go there and take pictures. They have planted avocados. I don't know if it's called hush or hash. Why that's there? Look at all that investment. Hizo miti zote zikikatwa. Well, tell me, how much is that? So it was time to go back and had a good time in different countries and all. Basically, I just realized that this was more of my traveling vlog and less of activities. But next time, as I've told you, I'm gonna show you more of the activities that I'll be partaking. So please like the video, share out there, and thank you for watching this far. Check out in the description, add a bonus link to more videos.